Hello my friends, welcome back to a sneaky day trip and another little outing here at Rhydymwyn, just outside Rhydymwyn. A little bit of bluebells, and then we're going to head into Moel Famau, all being well. Hope you enjoy the video. Nice with the sun showing dappled light on the bluebells. Don't think I've explored this path before, but glad I have. That is one big old tree. This looks pretty dead, but at the base, very wide. Yeah, beautiful here. As you can see, the path carries straight on, but you've got choices. As the arrow says, go down there and see Richard ahead, walking down. But it's a marvellous place. Get the timing right, fantastic. Right, just arrived at Moel Famau. Just have a look at this viewpoint before we start walking up the path over on the right hand side. You can see up there. It's a beautiful view though, isn't it? Right, let's get going. You got Rhydymwyn down there, heading towards Denby, and the coast you can see back home. We're just following this path up. Bit windy, as you'd expect being exposed. Crack on though. So you can see plenty of paths here coming up Moel Famau. Beautiful view, very windy. Richard's doing a vlog, so I'll give him a bit of space. There you go, you see the Offa's Dyke path going behind me for starting 20 miles. Chepstow 157 according to the sign. I'll just zoom in as much as this will go. But you've got a couple of quarries in the distance there. Slowly turning around, you might be able to make out the Flintshire Bridge with those stanchions sticking up on the River Dee. As I turn over here, Richard's over there by the trig point. And in the distance, I'll see if I can point it out, sort of over there you have Castle Cement. I remember being here once with the temperature inversion or cloud inversion, and that tower was sticking out above the clouds. This gave you some sort of sense of direction which way you were looking if you didn't know. Anyway, I turn you around to have a look from this side. This is Moel Famau. Let's go and have a look at this trig point because somebody's colorised it. Right, so here's a trig point. As you can see, a nice bit of artwork. Well, I say nice, you can make your own minds up. Some people won't like it, others will, but 1985. I remember it being a Welsh dragon painted on it last time I was coming. Richard taking a photo. Beautiful views though. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you can join us next time. That thumbs up would be smashing. Take it easy. Hope to see you next time. Thank you very much. See ya.